Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Databutton. In order to do so, here we are at databutton.com. And what is Databutton all about? Well, it's your vision, your software built by AI. Your hunt for a CTO ends here. Team up with the world's first reasoning AI developer. And you can click here to start for free, or you can click here to watch the demo. Built with Databutton, Joseph launched the world's first all-in-one AI content tool. So you can see here that we have some different examples of what has been created with Databutton. Here is a CRM that is making complex transactions easy. This user created an ERP with an advanced inventory app. So that gives you an idea of some of the things that you can create with Databutton. With Databutton, share your app brief as a vision, specs, and design inspiration to get started. Databutton has long-term memory about your app and decisions made along the way. Create high-level plans. Get an instant development plan broken down into clear, actionable tasks. The plan evolves as you continue giving feedback and have new ideas or needs. You can execute big tasks. Just hit start task. The agent will think, research code, and let you know when it needs input. The agent handles deployment and makes tech decisions like which database or product analytics to use, but you can always override. Stop commanding, start collaborating, deploy to your own domain in seconds. Deployment, including to your domain, is a breeze. The Databutton agent deploys your app to AWS and Google Cloud. Apps live on scalable infrastructure and have snappy load times. And here you can see what some of the people are saying, some testimonials there. And now we'll take a look here at the pricing. So you're looking at $20 a month for Agent Plus Community, and for Agent Plus Human Support, you're looking at $700 a month. An Agent Plus Human Advisor, you're looking at $4,000 a month per up, and you can book a meeting if you are interested in getting started. So if you want to get started, head over to databutton.com and just click on the Get Started button here up at the top right-hand corner, and you can get started with Databutton yourself. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.